Hello dear friends. In this video, I'm going to test whether the data coping speed is faster in Linux or Windows. For this purpose, first I copy a file on the Linux operating system from download folder to the desktop and then repeat the same action in Windows. A comparison of these two actions shows. This file was copied 4 seconds earlier in Linux. It seems the Linux coping speed is faster. Thank you for watching this video. Please like the video and subscribe the channel.